Alright, boys, we're about to go and land here at Slappy Shores because it's the only place that I was doing while I was going out. My friend is going to join. I bet. Let's do it. What the heck? Oh, All Might. The new Falcon thing, whatever it's called. I'm just gonna call it the Captain Falcon. Came out. Oh, I got it. Let's go. Alright, where the heck are the people? I'm gonna use the bird. How to mark people? How to mark people? Scan. Yeah. Nobody here? Wait a minute. That's the guy. Okay, how do I, oh. There you go. Alright, so there you, I'm in Slappy Shores. Alright, I'm getting absolutely bodied, but, oh shoot. Alright, I'm out. Why do I have my whole inventory not organized? I got the weirdest loadout ever. Be free, my bird. No one. I don't see absolutely no one. And I have no idea why I'm not building. I could get absolutely shot at. Where's this guy? Oh. Wait, hold on. Alright. I'm the biggest bird. Alright, thank you. Get up! He got absolutely Deku smashed. I'm the biggest bird. Alright, mark me the enemy. There you go. Alright. A bat, let's go.
Hey, bro, watch your jet.
Hey,
watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Who dares shoot this thing? Who dares shoot Mickey Mouse? I know, I'm not gonna waste it. But where exactly here? Yeet. I'm sorry. Oh! Yeah, I am dead. Psych, I lied. Peace out. Oh, shoot. Yeah. This is building. Oh, you want to heal up? I bet. Actually, wait. I'm the biggest bird. If only I had one more Deku. Oh, shoot. Oh! Yeah, I'll just let them fight. Oh, shoot. Peace out. Yank. I don't have any more bullets. Alright. Why the Hey,
wait, you right now on YouTube?
Wait, what, David?
Are you right now streaming? Because if you are, I'm just gonna put something. It's not copyright. It's not copyright. Not even.
Oh no, yeah, I am. Very good. Yeah.
People here.
Just keep putting that sound for the whole video, dude. It's gonna be a background sound.
It's 1 hour.
Exactly, that's the whole thing. The shield is different? Why? What does it change?
Oh yeah, it is different.
Give me your gun. Give me your gun, Grandma. Give me your gun. Thank you. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh shoot.
I'm like peaceful over here and you guys are dying over there.
Let's go. Just like a smash right here.
Right here.
Give me that.
Guys, look at how
Get
far
down. Oh, I just knocked two people. Oh no, I couldn't. He went down, I think. Yeah, I think Abraham knocked him down. Why did I say Abraham when Abraham's not even here?
Your dumbass is thinking of him.
Yes, and I'm joking. No, it's good. It's good for some. For some reason. I just always think Abraham is David. I don't know why. Dude, I would literally waste all my gold only. Finally, Pilly's Plunder. That's the new the new perk. Alright, but I like it. Finally, I found a hammer also. A mini map. Mini maps are cool. Alright, fine. You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? Or you scared? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He's dead. Got one of them. You really think that thing is gonna kill me? No.
Bro, look at that. He tried to kill me, but he ended up failing.
My crown. Where'd my crown go?
Oh, guys, come over here.
Oh, hold on. I'm healing up with minis. Oh, I'm gonna deck smash 3 people at a time.
Let it be a talk. Please.
I'm fine. You can do it. You're not joking. No. No, please don't.
Okay, I'm about to punch the fuck
This thing's gonna sue you right now. Alright, slap you.
Oh, wait. There's people right over there. Right over there.
There's one right where you are, dude. And they're all coming towards me. They're all up the. Oh! I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Pick it up. Yo. Just cancel it, dude. Why are you flying back? Look, over there's my reboot. Oh, Riverband, Riverband. Look, Riverband is right here. Oh no, don't go. No. Oh shit. No.
Teamers, what the fuck?
They're teaming. Alright, we're landing, boys.
Always the first one to literally just say, hello there.
Guys,
Yeah.
please do not die. I have a crown, bro. Come on, please do not die.
Alright, everybody kill each other right now.
Are you serious?
Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. Alright, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it. Wait, put it a little bit lower though. Alright. Wait, hold on. Put the car right here. Put the car right here. No, wait, hold on. There, okay, there. Alright. No! I can't. Stop moving the goddamn car.
It's because you guys are getting knocked down. And okay, you know what? Hey. What?
Yeah, you can't. Alright, who's the wise guy? Who's the wise guy? No one could use that mythic but me. It's Mr. Beast! Mine. Give me that. But pretty much the most important thing. Wait. Why are you all the way? Wait, where are you? Oh.
Hey, Leo.
Mark them. I found it. I got it. Oh shoot. Yeah, keep marking. I got it. Don't worry. I got him. Got it. Oh shoot. I attacked his shields. Get the heck out of my room. I'm playing Minecraft. Oh, there's one in the bush. Oh, run. Oh my god. Yeah, we got him.
You come over here.
Oh, there's people over here in the gas station. Yeah, don't worry. I'm shooting from far. Oh yeah, true. I can use the Deku Smash and they're not gonna be able to hit me. But still, these guys can't even hit me. God damn. No, Bill. This kid kind of. Oh shoot! Help! 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 How can you not get one kill? All right, my boat. The GG and Murkan, me. I have a lot. Emo, no. We're gonna Emo if you want Abraham to sit out. Okay, 2 people. Alright, Emo if you want Emil to sit out. Alright, look, nobody wants to. Alright, oh, never mind. Alright, Emo. Alright, Abraham, if you're gonna emote, then you gotta do a different emote. Alright, emote if you want Janelle to sit out. I know. But still, I mean, it's still. Alright, yeah, it doesn't. Alright, emo if you want Diva to sit out. Alright, wait. Calm down. Calm down. You took it too personal, alright? We get it. I got a new Augment. The 0 chance. The game 0 point dash. Oh wait, that's the same one that I had last time. Alright, let's run, Abraham, let's run. Ah! A whole monkey squad came, bro. Oh, I'm the biggest bird. Alright, just for safety. On the biggest bird, Give me that. Ah! Oh, Peely. Alright. Want to do this? You seriously want to do this? I don't feel like you want to do this. There you go. Just figure, rockabye. Actually, I have no idea how that goes. Wait, where is he? Oh, he's over there. Watch. It's the United States oh, wait. It's the United States smash! Meanwhile, with Abraham, he's all the way over there. What the heck is he doing? Let's go. A Peter Griffin reference right now.
You stupid Nick!
You want mercy? Easily. Robin. Oh, I found Janelle. Ah, come on.
You stupid Nick!